Today we are going to learn about the notice writing. It is the very easy scoring. That is why it is always each and every student will have to learn very properly. Because in the 10th standard it will be asked in section D as a 4 marks. Even for the 9th standard it is very important one. Because the notice writing out of 4 marks generally most of the students get easily 3 marks. That is why it is necessary for each and every student to concentrate on the notice. Now we will go for the format regarding the notice, which is the most important thing. Here it is the notice writing format. Here you can see there is the division of the 4 marks. In the very first line you can see here the name of the institute which is going to issue the notice. Sometimes you will have to mention the place. Generally the organization name, institute name, everything will be you will have to mention here. Thereafter you will have to mention the notice. All this will be included as a 1.5 marks. Thereafter we will have to mention the date in proper format without any comma. Thereafter the notice or the title regarding we are going to issue, for example, which is the subject on which we are going to issue the notice. Maybe possible there might be a competition, dance competition, debate competition, maybe possible any kind of the orientation program or a visit to either a book fair, science exhibition or anything else. Thereafter you will have to give the content regarding the notice. For example, you are going to issue the notice regarding to pay the visit at library or to visit at Kulu and Manali. Then you will have to give the content in which you will have to mention that date, place, fee, time. All this will be included by which the person who is receiving the notice or who is reading the notice can be well aware regarding the notice. That is why it is most important part. Then in the end, the signature of the authority who is going to issue the notice. That is why it is also one of the most important aspect. And if you just follow all these rules and regulations that you can get from the approximately most of the part you can get from the questions, then it will be very easy to achieve at least 3 marks out of 4. Now here one of the example. Again it is in the form of the format. For example, in the very first line you can see here school, college, institute, club or such type of the name always in the capital letter. Thereafter you will have to mention the date and thereafter the title, heading or such type of the things regarding the notice. Then the content part. For example, generally these words are always common. All the students, members, either of the society or of any institute or organization are hereby informed that our institute, our school, our college, our club is going to organize or has decided to organize, celebrate, hold program, function, festival name. These words are generally the common for the notice. So just you keep in your mind. Thereafter the date on which a particular program is going to be performed, timing again and the venue or the place. Then for the further details please contact the undersigned name and the designations. Both are the most important part of the notice. That is why you will have to learn this properly. School name, college name, institute you can get from the questions. So it will be very easy. So you can get half marks even the mentioning the notice, and the title again you can get from the questions, so it will be easy. And thereafter, as far as the content is concerned, the content is generally, some of the sentences are very common, again date, time and venue according to your liking, or if it is mentioned in the question, then you will have to write down that one. And authority, signature is also an important thing. Then again you can see here another notice regarding the dance competition. The first line, title regarding the organization. Here, Tinu Public School, Delhi. It is the organization or school name or any institute name. Then you can see here the date on which you are going to issue the notice. Then the title, notice, and dance competition. Then you can see all the students are hereby informed that our school has decided to organize a dance competition as per the details given below. Date is given, whichever date you can mention here, but this date must be the date after the notice is going to be issued. So time, venue, and even sometimes you will have to mention the fees regarding any particular event. Those who are interested may give their name to the undersigned, latest by 7th May 2019. Amit, in charge of the cultural club. So this is the particular format in which you will have to follow the notice. Then another example you can see here, notice regarding the any title you can give here. Here it is regarding the debate competition, dance competition, maybe a possible a trip to Manali, trip to Junagadh, a trip to science fair, such type of the words you will have to mention here. So all the students are hereby informed that the debate is going to be held on so and so particular date at so and so particular place, and if you are interested you will have to register your name to a particular person, you will have to contact a particular person. Even the you can see here date is given, venue is given, time is given, and regarding the debate competition topic is also given. And maybe possible if such type of the notice is regarding a trip to any place, even time, duration, even regarding lunch, dinner, even the venue or places where you are going to stay, each and everything you will have to mention. Even regarding the fee you will have to mention. So this is the format of the notice. You will have to learn very properly. So thank you very much for listening me, and you can very easily get the marks. So always you will have to concentrate to score the marks in the notice.